Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, my name is Dinda Vidya Salma. So in this video, I will present my academic presentation, and the title is The Function of English Subtitle in Watching English Movies to Increase Learners' Vocabulary Knowledge. So I choose this title because I think when we watch film, movies, series or animation, we can have a vocabulary knowledge or get a new vocab for us. So move to topic and context. The topic is the use of English subtitle in English movies to support vocabulary learning among English foreign language students. And the context: in today's digital era, students frequently encounter English language content on streaming platforms and social media. While watching movies can serve as a potential learning resource, this opportunity is unfortunately often underutilized. I think we can learn from what we watch, but sometimes we don't care about that. I can move to the problem and cap section. For the problem is students like watching movies or series in English, but we often don't understand many words, right? And the second is really too much on guessing. So when we watch the movies, many times we guess the understanding of the dialogue. And the third is new vocabulary is quickly forgotten, right? When we have a new vocab in our mind, it's quickly forgotten. And the last is watching becomes entertainment only, not learning, of course. For the cap is students already watch English content regularly, but they don't use it to improve vocabulary. And subtitles used only to understand the story. Like the problem, lack of strategy to turn watching into learning. So that's the problem and the cap about my academic presentation. Okay, next to the research question and main argument. So in this research and argument, there are three question and argument. The first is, how do English subtitles affect student listening comprehension? So, English subtitles help learners improve listening comprehension by linking spoken and written language, so we can speak and write our new language. The second is, to what extent do subtitles contribute to vocabulary acquisition? For the argument is, subtitles support vocabulary acquisition by exposing learners to new words in context. And the third is, how can subtitles be used effectively without creating dependency? And the answer is, while subtitles are beneficial, overuse may create dependency and reduce listening skill development. So that's the research question and main argument. We move to evidence and finding. So I read the journal research and article. The title is The Use of English Subtitle on Films to Help Self-Study in Mastering Vocabulary. And the article is The Dual Coding and Multimedia Learning Theories, Film Subtitle as a Vocabulary Teaching Tool. So I take the evidence and finding. And the first is from Nurvauzia and her friends. Students using English subtitle show better vocabulary acquisition because they can see and hear words simultaneously. So, student who use English subtitle can show better vocabulary acquisition. And the second evidence is subtitles support dual coding, audio or visual, which helps learners remember words more effectively. It's from Canelope Paulo and his friend. And last is learners understand spoken content more easily when subtitles are provided, especially at beginner's level. So there are evidence finding from my academic presentation. Okay guys, we move to the last slide. It's implication for English foreign language learning or teaching. So we can use the strategy of English subtitle used to learn and teaching. So the first is how we can learn self-learn. So we can watching movies with English subtitle, then applying the rewatch strategy. So we can watching English movies what we like and with English subtitle. Then we can apply the rewatch strategy, which means we can rewatch the movies and we can learn from what word what we do wanna say. What do we want to know? So this strategy can help students understand the content first and gradually train their listening skills without relying on subtitles. Okay, next for the second strategy is called guess before reading. So this activity students train listening first, then use subtitle to confirm understanding. So the strategy making listening more active without creating dependency. So that's all I can explain. That's all I can say. That's all I can present for my academic presentation. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. And I wish my academic presentation it can useful for all of us. So thank you. Bye bye.